How many times have you said to yourself, one day I'll start, one day I'll exercise, one day I'll study harder, one day I'll chase that dream? But the truth is, one day never comes. Unless you decide that today is day one. Become the version of yourself that you always wanted to be. Start small. Don't wait for the perfect plan or the perfect timing. If you want to get fit, don't overthink it. Do 10 push-ups today. If you want to study more, just open a book and read one page right now. If you want to grow your career, send that application today, even if it's not perfect. Once you begin, momentum carries you forward. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. The hardest part is starting, but once you take that first step, the next one feels easier. And then comes consistency. 10 minutes a day of effort beats 10 hours once in a while. For example, if you read 5 pages a day, that's over 1,800 pages, 6 to 8 books finished without even trying. If you write 1 page a day, in a year, you'll have an entire book. Consistency matters more than intensity. Small actions, repeated daily, turn into habits. And habits build the life you want. Remember this: every day you wait, your dream drifts further away. But every day you take action, it comes closer. Nobody who succeeded waited for the right time. They started unprepared. They started imperfect. But they started. So stop waiting for one day. Decide that today is your day one. Write down one thing you'll do now, and just begin.